Hey guys, this video is all about the best fertilizers for the Bougainvillea plant. I am also going to give you a few secrets to get maximum flowers on your Bougainvillea plants. So if you are not getting the blooms on your plants, then I really hope that this video is going to help you. See, just few days back I have already shared the collection of my Bougainvillea plants and I hope you have seen that already. To be honestly saying, I really don't fertilize my Bougainvillea plants too often. I just try to do around 3 to 4 times in a year, and that much is really very sufficient. Now let me show you the fertilizers that I usually apply on my plants. So here are the fertilizers that I usually try to apply. I apply near about 20 grams of mustard cake powder and rest 25 grams of bone meal. This is really very simple, and trust me, you really don't need lots of other things to apply on your Bougainvillea plants. However, if you don't have the mustard cake powder, then you can use near about 50 to 70 grams of either vermicompost or compost cow dung powder. If you have neem cake powder, then definitely you can use near about 25 grams. Please note that this fertilizers is for a 10-inch container. So if you are growing your Bougainvillea plant, let's say in 8-inch or 10-inch, you can use the similar amount of fertilizers. However, if you are growing your plants in somewhat bigger container, let's say 12-inch or 14-inch, then definitely you can increase the amount of fertilizers. It's easy to apply the fertilizers, and let me show you how you can do that. First, just remove the surrounding soil, let's say 1 inch or half inch. Then add the fertilizers. Next, cover the fertilizers with the same soil, or you can also use fresh soil. And then finally water your plant, and that's it. See, I have many Bougainvillea plants along with many other variety of plants, and sometimes it's really impossible to apply fertilizers the similar way. And that time I use near about 5 to 6 DAP crystals. It's really easy to use the DAP crystals. Simply keep the crystals on the soil, and if you like, you can definitely place them inside. Trust me, it's not just the fertilizers. I mean, you can use any fertilizers, and the number of blooms really don't depend too much on fertilizers. There are many other things that you need to do the right way. Now let me give you a few tips to get maximum flowers on your Bougainvillea plants. So the first tip is, see, Bougainvillea plants need minimum 8 to 10 hours of direct sunlight, and then only it's going to bloom really very well. So if your plants are not blooming, then please take a look how much direct sunlight they are getting, and if possible, move your plants to somewhat other place so that it can get more amount of direct sunlight. The second important thing is, see, you have to prune your plants on a regular basis if you are looking for a bushier plants. Let me show you an example here. So this Bougainvillea plant was growing really very tall and leggy, and that's why I pruned it on this part. And as a result, you can see it produced lots of new branches. I got the blooms on each branches, and it was looking really very good. Now here also you can see it has already started producing the new growth. So at this time what you can do is you can simply pinch the new growth, and that way the plant is going to produce more branches, and as a result you are going to get a much bushier plant. You can prune your plant as soon as blooms start to fade. So here you can see it's already getting faded, so I am just pruning it right here. Pruning is really very important because, see, Bougainvillea blooms on the new growth. So the more you prune your plant, it's going to produce more new shoots, and as a result you are going to get much fuller plant. Finally, the last important thing, and this is kind of my own secret. See, at the time of buying the Bougainvillea plants, please go for the tissue cultured variety, and that way you can expect heavy blooms on your plant. The normal variety is really very cheap. You can get them for about 40 to 50 rupees for each one. But tissue cultured variety are a bit costly and they start from around 300 to 400 rupees. But I would say that it's definitely worth because they bloom really very well. Other than this, please also be very careful while watering your Bougainvillea plants. Before watering, always let the topsoil dry out and then only water it. So guys, this is all about the best fertilizers for Bougainvillea plants and at the same time how you can get maximum flowers on your plant. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day and enjoy.